Hi friends, today I'm showing you a JNZ guitar. This is the starter guitar. This can be for kids and this can be by adult who are just starting the guitar. And this comes in a great box, and you can see that it's a complete set with guitar and the cover and everything. I will show you one by one how this is gone. So you will see this is JNZ, the great guitar cover case. This case is good, like it's up to the size of it, and I will show you later on that when I put this guitar into this case how does this fit. This is the strap just to put in for the guitar, and let me just show you one by one everything. This is the guitar, this is the tuner that comes with it so that you can do your tuning. So this can be used for guitar, violin, ukulele and all. And this one is the piece that you can use so cleaning cloth and pegs. So let me just show you the accessories that comes with it first, and then I will go to the guitar section to show its quality and everything. So as you see, this is the strap to the guitar, and this is the tuner, pegs and the cleaning cloth that comes with it, and of course the case for the guitar. This is the waterproof case along with the strap and the zipper lock. Quality wise I see is like good, and then my first impression is really good for this. And for the case as well, you can see this is the waterproof. There is a one zipper to put all the accessories inside, and there's a big zipper just to put in the guitar. So I will show you the accessories part now, and you can see this is the strap that goes with the guitar itself. So the one section will go in the bottom part where there is a hook to get into it, and then the other part will go on the top. You can see like the multiple things, and this is the tuner that comes with it. With this tuner you can see that it is the electronic tuner, the clip-on one, and here like there's a battery inside and a manual just to show you how you can use this tuner to tune your guitar. I think this comes with the battery, and you can put the battery in the back. This is a like button battery that goes in the back. I will show you here. So you can turn it on, take this cap off, and then put in the battery and just put in the cap back on. So there is a on and off button on the back, so you press a little bit long press and then this will start on, and then there is a different like keep on pressing. It shows ukulele, guitar, violin, so for what actually you are trying to tune it up. So this is the part is where the cleaning cloth and the pegs are. These pegs are actually made of ABS plastic, and there are two pegs along with this guitar. So this is a complete kit. I will say that a starter person can learn and use to tune up the guitar. And the cleaning cloth is soft microfiber cloth that can be used to clean up the guitar. Now as you see like the case and cover of this guitar that comes with it, it have this big zipper just to put in the guitar. The cloth you can see one zipper side, and the cloth from inside is also the waterproof, the plastic one or the lining. And this is for the accessories case that you can put in all your tuner, your pegs, cleaning cloth and everything here. Now I will just open up the guitar and remove this plastic bag, and this you see is very beautiful. it's the glossy wood, and this like a very nice design on top of this circle. And I will say this is the engineered wood and the basswood that this product is made of. And you can see there are 6 nylon strings tuned properly. And the shape and the size is perfectly fine. There is the tuners in the side. And you can see this tuner is like you can tune up your string just to have all your tuning aspects. So these are like the DAE strings are nylon inside and the white brass wires covered outside. They are not steel strings. So and you will see the glossy finish of this wood and the brass wood that comes on with this guitar, and this really give a very nice classic look to this guitar. And for the tuning, as I mentioned, like you have to press the long press that on and off button, it will get started, and then you have to keep on like pressing when it's come to the guitar. Once it comes to the guitar section, like as you see here, it comes to the guitar, and then you will just put it on the top side, and when you do the string, and it will detect the string if it is fits fine or not. So if the string is fine, it's accurate, you will see a green light in this, and then you can tune up. You can tune up with rotating all this the tuners left or the right, and then get it all set done. You will find a lot of videos on the tuning, but this is I'm just showing you a little bit of it so that you can see. So here, like in the case itself, the guitar fits very well. Here it goes, and then you can see that my kid is actually holding it, so perfectly fine with that. And these are the sounds that come with it. See the different sounds and stuff that is still like the beautiful acoustic sound. I will show you if I'm able to play some tunes on it, and so that I can show you the demo of it. So perfectly fine, good starter guitar.